Welcome to Goldwachen's Quality Tips. If you're hearing this kind of whistling sound, it's probably coming from your cabin air filter or intake duct. It may mean that your cabin air filter is clogged with dirt, hindering sufficient airflow. Your filter's grill or casing might be damaged or loose, or your ductwork may be leaking. Whatever the case, chances are you will need to replace one or more parts. Any qualified technician can advise you on what repairs and parts might be needed. And depending on the issue, you could do the repair yourself or hire a qualified mechanic to do the job for you. For more parts for your vehicle, visit your nearest Goldwachen store today.